That's something new every day. It's blocked off. Yesterday I was there, you're not allowed there anymore. Let's go look at what the pier looks like. We've been blocked off. We've been lock blocked. Site closed. Parks Canada asks visitors to refrain from entering the park or remaining in their boat, in addition to comply with temporary signage. You have been lock blocked. The water is higher again today. This is day 5 of base dork on duty, and we were out there yesterday, but it's closed now, the Parks Canada side, so you can't even go there anymore. There is a spot across the bridge you can go to. But yeah, it's as high as the pier. Not at the end of the pier, it must be a little bit higher, but up close here, it's submerged in water. Just the very top, it's just slightly spilling over. Never noticed that in my 48 years on and off living here. Fall of snow. Well, if you're a regular in my videos, you might notice that I'm talking less, because if you say anything, someone will say, oh, you talk too much, or don't talk so much, or if you have an opinion, oh, your opinions are wrong, or oh, you should just tell your opinions and be yours no matter what you say or do. So sometimes I just go quiet, and then, you can insult the lake or the water or the land or whatever, the camera, instead of me. So this is day 5 of Base Guys Flood Watch. And I'm busy doing a concert thing, a full dress rehearsal later on, and busy and trying to make it all happen. Start's coming up soon, so everything will be okay. Everything's okay now. We're safe at the Couche-Tard. The owl is watching over us all, always, protecting the village. There's our marker from the other day, Pat. Still about the same height. It's more swollen up in the little boat docking area around the corner. But yeah, it's closed off now. The locks. bridge, possibly one of the most dangerous bridges in Quebec. It's cracking and under constant bandage repair, and they're going to be replacing the bridge starting in 2028. My mother walked across the bridge on opening day in 1966 when she was a little girl, so she's outlived the bridge. Whereas this bridge has been here for over 100 years old, because they used to build things, well, differently. Bring your own cup for Couche-Tard. Save the whales. The Macchiato.
Something is not